Okay, here we go. 12050Z. In this particular room, the bathroom is going to be on the left and the closet's going to be on the right. It's been a while since we've stayed in a room where the bed is not next to the window, so that might be a little adjustment for me. The great thing is there's always these plugs that are on the side of the bed, and that's really nice at night when you're charging your stuff. And then you've got light switches there that actually will turn the lights off. We got our little blankie that we use actually outside in the hammock where Kathy has already put herself as soon as she walked in the door. Over here, we have our little chair. I think it's actually going to be nice being by the window to work for me this time. And then there's this extra space here that Kathy puts like her sleep machine and things like that. And I put mine on that little couch arm over there on the wooden thing. So there you can kind of get a view. We have a nice big long mirror there. And then I want to show you this. There's a drawer that you can also put some stuff in. Right now they've got like an extra mattress pad in there for people who like it soft. Over here we have our little desk area, which is nice, and we'll utilize the cubbies and stuff. We get sparkling water and still water. We get that daily, and I will also request a bucket of ice every day because I love to have my ice water. And then our little cubbies, and then over here then you have your dorm size refrigerator. Moving on to the bathroom, we'll go ahead and take a peek in there. This is going to be your usual sea terrace bathroom. This is not the extra large. The extra large has a separate toilet and a separate shower. We've had that one time, and then it just really wasn't necessary for us, so we've been getting the regular sea terrace ever since. And there's your shower area. You got your rain shower, your hand shower, and you got your hair wash, hair conditioner, and your body wash, and it is all Red Flower brand. Extra toilet papers and stuff. A little cubby to put your stuff. There's the shelf space comes really in handy if you have like your little toiletry bags and things like that. Okay, so now we're gonna check out the balcony area for the sea terrace. This is where Kathy is already at. She could not get in this hammock fast enough.
No, I couldn't.
She loves the hammock so much that she's getting one for her birthday.
It's not a pretty view from here, but it's lovely.
And this is the Virgin terminal.
And if you turn to the right, we have a some here.
And then they're doing a lot of construction over here, so it's kind of creating a little chaos getting in and out. You can see here's the parking deck that we normally park in, and just beyond that is like full-on construction going on over here. And so they have that whole area blocked, and it took us a little bit to get in here, and there's Miami in the background. But we left a little earlier, and our Uber driver was able to get us in and very quickly. And here we are, ready to sail away. Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady, transatlantic to Barcelona.